Hi, I'm Iluh. I'm a head chef here at Sarinbuana Eco Lodge. I work here almost 10 years and then we work here with a local staff and we provide fresh food for our guests. At the lodge, we grow our organic herbs, spices, fruits, and vegetables. We have over 300 plants to provide fresh produce from the gardens to the table for our guests. Our meals focus on fresh, local Balinese flavors. All our food is made on-site without microwaves, palm oil, or artificial additives. We offer eco, vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian, and white meat-only meals. Our guests can enjoy our delicious meals as well as learn about sustainable cooking by taking a tour of our permaculture gardens and taking traditional Balinese cooking classes using our freshly picked ingredients.